Well, this is an unusual end of the year. No Leavers Assembly to celebrate all of your wonderful work, awesome achievements, and the conclusion of your time in the infants.
The Year 2 children have had this year cut short, but before lockdown we really enjoyed learning about the Beatles, including our school trip down to the Albert Docks to the Beatles Museum. We enjoyed listening, singing and dancing to their songs and learning about what influenced them to write them.
Let It Be was written by Paul McCartney to help him cope when he felt sad. Paul's mum died when he was a teenager, and he says when he was finding life tricky, she came to him in a dream and told him everything would be alright and to just let it be. This took all his worries away.
The song was written 50 years ago, but in these troubling times we should heed these words. We hope that as a school we have been here to support our community.
So children, use this video to remember the good times, the fond memories of your journey through school, and most importantly remember to
Let
It
be.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.